Jungle.
Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I am your host Rishabh Rajesh, and in this video we are going to talk about the Kia Seltos 2020 and we are going to tell you what all are the new features from the older one and much more, like variants, 8 new features, distribution of features, color option changes and prices. So all of this we will be telling you in this video. So let's start with this video without any further ado. So talking about the variants, the older Kia Seltos, so the Kia Seltos 2019 got two versions, which is the Tech Line version and the GT Line version. So in the Tech Line version we had 5 variants, which is HTE, HTK, HTK Plus, HTX and HTX Plus, and in the GT Line we got the GTK, the GTX and the GTX Plus. So now in the new one, the GTK variant and the GTX DCT variant have been discontinued. So now you must be thinking that why have they discontinued it? So that is because the long list of variants and the long list of features were quite confusing for the customers, and they didn't find it really great that they didn't get the DCT version on the top end variant. Of course we did get it, but they were not happy that the GTX version also got the DCT version, so they discontinued both these variants because GTK was kind of the not so selling or the not so successful variant, so they discontinued both these variants. So now let's talk about the 8 new features which have been added in this car. So basically there are 8 new features available in the Kia Seltos 2020. So first is the emergency stop light. So I told you in the previous video where we had told you about the leaked feature list of the new Kia Seltos. So over there I told you that emergency stop light is basically that if you are going at a speed and if you want to or if you have the circumstances of braking immediately, then the lights, the indicator lights will keep on blinking, and the rear, which means the car behind you or the passenger behind you or the driver behind you will be alerted that the car is taking a sudden brake. There will be a smart key engine start stop, so there will be a start and stop button on the key, which is basically that if you hold it then the car will start, and if you hold it again once you get out of the car it will switch off. So let me tell you that this will only be available if you are within 30 meters of the car, which means that's the range. So in that you have to be, only then the car will start and stop. So there are 4 new UO features available. First will be cricket scores. So basically in cricket scores it will tell you the live cricket score of any of the new cars. The next feature is Hello Kia voice commands. So basically in Hello Kia voice commands you just have to say Hello Kia and it will control the air purifier, it will control the sunroof, it will control the AC and much more. So already I have covered the air purifier function as well. So there is the last function, which is basically that you can connect a smartwatch with your car and you can switch off and switch on your car. So these were some of the features, and there is a grab handle and AC bezel, like on the passenger side, like not on the door but on the other side where the infotainment system is, there will be a grab handle over there, and the AC bezel and the AC air conditioning system will now get a silver AC bezel. And the last is that the HTK Plus variant will now be getting a glossy black interior, which means the dashboard will be in full glossy black. So these are some of the 8 new features of the car. Now let's talk about the next segment. So when we talk about the distribution of features, so we get 7 features in this, which are now different. They are not added we have already told you about, but these are the same features, but they have been changed to different variants. So let me tell you, metal scuff plate was only available in the GT line versions, which means on the second top and the top version, but now it's available on the Tech Line's second top and top version, which is HTX and HTX Plus. There will be a leather gear knob now available in the HTK Plus variant also. There will be LED reading lamps in HTX and GTX version. So that's a good feature, because before it was only available on the top 2 variants, which means Tech Line top and GT Line top. Then you will get a dual muffler design in HTK Plus variant also, which is an awesome thing. Let me tell you, there will be black interior with red stitching in the GTX Plus variant also. Talking about the USB chargers, there will be a front and rear USB chargers as standard from the HTE variant to the HTX Plus variant, and the GTX variant to the GTX Plus variant. talking about the last and final thing, this is my favorite, my utmost favorite, because it's about sunroof. So sunroof is now available on the second top variants of both the versions. But of course, we can say that in the GT line version, the base variant, which means now we don't get the GTK variant, so GTX is the base variant. So that is how is the distribution of features. Let's move on to the color options. So when we talk about new color options, there will be no new additional colors, but the dual tone options will now be available in the top variants of the Tech line and the GT line, which is the HTX Plus and the GTX Plus. There will be orange and white color options, which was there before as well. And we get a dual sunroof color option, which means with the sunroof you can add an extra roof color. So that's a nice thing by Kia. So overall, this is the new color options. There's no new additional color, just as I told you. There are just changes to the dual tone color options. So now let's move on to the final segment, which is prices. So when we talk about the three engine options, there will be a 1.5 liter petrol, a 1.4 liter turbocharged petrol and a 1.5 liter diesel. So the price hike for the 1.5 liter petrol is from 5k all the way up to 25k. For the 1.4 liter petrol, it's from 5k all the way up to 25k, and the GTK variant has been discontinued, as I told you in the previous shots. And there's a 1.5 liter diesel which is priced at 15 to 35k, which is that not priced exactly, it has a hike. So this is how it is. So that was it from my side. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from AutoDNA. Thanks for watching. This is Yashvi Rajesh signing off.